Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to show you about sales receipt module. Let's say you have sales which are directly sales. Sell on the spot and collect the cash on the spot, which is nothing but direct sales in cash. Then HAL has a provision to do it. You can go in sales module. Under that, you have a sales receipt. Click on this, then screen will open where you can see all your cash sales transactions. Note that any transaction recorded using sale receipt module is assumed to be cash sales and it will not come in the SOA of the customer. Now, to record a cash sales, you can just click on create new. Click on create new, screen will open. This is a screen where it opens. Now, this is a sale receipt form. You have to select the customer, or if the customer does not exist, let's say even if you want to keep this by default as a cash customer, you can keep as by default cash customer so that no user will be allowed to change it. Or if you want to keep open and you want to track the customer information like customer mobile number, you want to create some information. So you can create a customer information, create customer mobile number, name, and it will automatically add the customer. So let's say you have already a cash customer, you don't want to record any cash and any customer information, then you can just select cash customer, which is created. So select the cash customer. And then all the information of the customer will come by default. This is a by default today's date. If you want to change, you can change, and deposit to. For this user, we have linked this deposit to account, meaning any sales which is being done will credit the revenue side and debit this ledger. If you want to change, you can even change it. If you want to keep it fixed, you can keep it fixed. Then you can select the respective VAT group, or even the tax group can be made as default. You can add the items using scanning the barcode. If you want to scan, you have the barcode, you can even scan using it. Or you can even use your bulk select, nothing but add item. This is nothing but a bulk select section where you can search by item code or by anything. Let's say I'm having these two items. I added this. Now here in these two locations, I have this many quantity by location. I want to sell 5 pieces of it and 3 pieces of it. So this is the amount total. Now the customer has to pay me 1046.5. So I will now customer is going to pay me. I'll click on split payment. So once I click on split payment, this tab will open where the customer has an ability to pay. Let's say customer can pay directly in cash or credit card, but you have a scenario that customer is paying with 2 or 3 different methods. Let's say customer pays 46.5 in cash. So right here, pay amount as 46.5 and select cash. So you can see here, the cash is added and the remaining amount is shown here. This is a balance amount. The balance amount the customer is paying by debit card or credit card. Select debit card. And then you just click on add. That's it. But let's say suddenly customer says, no, just ignore that. Don't add cash. Select collect the entire amount by debit card. Then you can just remove this both the sections and then click the entire amount and select by debit card or credit card. This is the total amount. Here, there is nothing to give balance. If the customer is paying by cash, let's say customer paid you 1050 reals by cash. So now system is showing this change amount that needs to be given. This is nothing but 3.5 needs to be given back to the customer. Click add. Then you just need to click add again. That's it. Your sale receipt is created. Click on view. You can see the ledger impacts here. What will be the ledger impacts? The ledger impacts is nothing but it will hit the income ledgers linked to these items, and there's nothing but the credit to these income ledgers of which is linked to these items in the item master, as well as it will credit the output VAT, then debit this ledger, as well as it will also do the stock movement, reducing the stock because it has been sold by these many units. You can see the quantity is out. So this is how the entire sale receipt will work. Even you can use this on the point of sale hardware. It is much similar to use it. And it will even can configure A4 print or thermal print as required. Thank you.